I have an apparatus here that I set up. You can't really see me. So we are simulating about a foot distance between my cell phone down to the playing field of where I need to do the measurements. I have the brightness set on the highest on my Note 9. You can adjust the brightness on the cell phone. Okay, so we have it on the maximum. So the light is in this vicinity here. We're going to get rid of all ambient light 100% here. So that's pretty impressive. So 292 lux. So we could take that number, that formula that we've got, and we can figure this out. So this meter is nice. It also has a backlight as well. It's multiplied already for you based on the distance. It automatically does it for you. You don't have to change the meter on itself on its own. Okay, so that's one meter. Okay, now I'm going to go to this meter. This is the other one. Can't even pronounce it. This also has a really nice readout, also offers temperature. And this is, you can see that, 252. I'm telling you right now, this is already off by a lot. So 252.5 lux. Okay. And then I'm going to go to the other meter, Dr.Meter, the LUX 1330B. And this one we have to manually change. So we're showing 348 lux and 348. So now we have the three numbers and we're going to determine which one's the correct one. So now we need to find out which meter is correct or which one is the closest. Which one should we use? Well, I did a meter reading on this one, and this one seems to be the closest and most accurate out of these two. That one's way too high, that one's way too low, and this one's just, it's like the porridge. That one's too hot, that one's too cold, and this one's just right. So I'm going with the Eno logic for the meter because it seems to be more accurate based on the numbers that I see here. Now we're dropping because we're going into clouds, so that's pretty interesting. That's why I'm recommending the Eno logic to be the one if you need a lux meter. This would be the one that I would choose. I like it also because it has backlight capability. That one is difficult to read in the daylight, and the one on the left there's no backlight, but it also reads perfectly fine in daylight. So that's my review of these three lux meters.